Welcome to my Mynimo tutorial. This is your guide on how to edit your job posting. First, click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen and select Employers. Enter your credentials and click Login. On the Local Ads tab, you will see the list of your job ads. Hover your mouse over the pencil symbol on the action column to edit a job posting. Then, add or edit the details of your job posting. Once done, click the Update Job Posting button below. Please take note of the following. You cannot edit the job title after the job ad is posted. You can edit jobs within 24 hours. For assistance and questions about editing jobs, you may email us at posts@mynimo.com. Thank you for watching my Mynimo tutorial.